Hi QMT lovers, Sanbonani Molweni, Dumelang, welcome back to our channel. We are back with yet another epic video of car interior designing. And as always, a big shout out to our day ones and lots of love to the new subscribers. Keep the love growing. Now, on to today's video. Today we are showing you guys how to put diamond stitching on a car seat. First things first is to obviously do measurements and cutting. This piece that we are cutting here is the piece where we are going to put the diamond stitching on. Now, once you cut out your pieces, start to draw or put some pattern on your material. Are straight and equal in size. You can use a ruler or any other template that you can create for yourself to make sure that you have the perfect diamond pattern on your material. As shown in the video, we are using a ruler to make sure the size is the same, the lines are straight, and everything is perfect. Once you're done drawing out your pattern, it's time to add the foam padding. For this you need span band, foam and glue. Glue the material to the foam. This will help the diamonds pop out when you do the stitching. And the final stage, the stitching. All you need to do here is follow the patterns or the lines that you drew and just stitch. Make sure that you keep in line so that your diamonds are the same size and pop out perfectly. And there it is, motor lovers, your diamond stitched seat covers. I hope you had a great video. I hope you enjoy it.
Hello KMT lovers, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are here chilling at our workshop. This is our QMT workshop where we do those upholstery work, those amazing upholstery work, amazing videos. So just a reminder, keep on subscribing, share, like and comment. We're going to give you more content, more videos and more lessons. Goodbye.